In this video, we will look at how to find percentages of a number. To find 25% of $400, it is important to recall the percent sign means over 100, so 25% is the same as 25 over 100. In mathematics terminology, the word of often means multiply, or times. So finding 25% of $400 is the same as finding 25 over 100 times $400. Since 25 and 100 are both divisible by 25, we can simplify the fraction to 1 over 4. This means that we want to find 1/4 of $400. We can do this by a simple model to visualize that 1/4 of $400 is $100. Alternatively, we can simply multiply the fractions, remember numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, simplify and we get the same answer of $100. Can you try these questions on your own?